Hello again, guys. Right, interesting day's trading today. Plenty of trades around as always. Very good, solid quality strategy trades. No breaking any rules or bending any rules. Just watch and wait. But as always, I look at the ADRs, and EJ was overextended. There were plenty overextended. GJ, which is the trade I took, where is that there, overextended seriously, and these trades I absolutely love, and that's why I've made this video actually, and why I've posted the chart of the GJ trade. I like the way they are relaxed. You just take the trade, you know what's going to go on, without any news or any a sort of catastrophic disaster or something, a bomb, then they're just going to grind their way back. So this is I can't stress enough how although it's only a recent strategy for me, well, not recent, but having the ADR, I always used to trade the end of the day, but that was for sort of other reasons really. 3 candle reversals. I didn't even have the RSI histo on at the time. Apologies for the wind, we've got a storm going on outside my office window, so yeah, that's pretty horrendous for August, but there you go. Anyway, this is beautiful, this one, because not because of the timing. I didn't trade it, didn't even know it was there, I was out, but lovely 3 swing. You get the third, the break, so that is the point that you can draw. There will be a 3 candle reversal in there, I'm not even going to bother looking, but you can draw. We were overextended, as you can see. We were definitely at the high of the day at this point, just prior to the American session. You can draw the ascending trend line, and you even get the RSI break on the precise candle that gives you your third swing. Swing 1, swing 2. The break of that low is the trend in place, which means you can draw your descending trend line, and the exact candle there, so you could have entered here to the rubber band effect, to the hourly 8 EMA. I just don't know what to say about this really. That's why I put the 8 EMA on my charts, because it bounces off that. That was a 21 pip move. Excuse me. Could have taken it down to that retest of the R2 there. R3 was the reason that you'd consider going short. The 126 level there as well would have been a good trigger to short. So every box was ticked. So I hope if anyone was watching this and watching the ADRs, they would have taken that. Then we can do a similar thing up here for an additional trade. You just to double check, because I haven't checked what this is, but that's what I do. Yeah, we can see that's still a high. It's higher than that one marginally. Also, the point I wanted to make was, that's triple top, and these levels are almost to the pip. So the ascending trend could have been drawn quite comfortably to that level. Why won't that do what it's supposed to do there? Even if you joined that one there, which when is valid level when that's broken there by this here. So and then we go back to the candles. You can clearly see the triple top. Then that's just like that is like the golden ticket at Charlie's Chocolate Factory, Willy Wonka's rather, off the 126. And no break and close there, just the bust. Then we get the break and close there, and there was another perfectly good opportunity at that point there. Yeah, it was that candle, that bar there, and then it's gone back down to that S2 again. So what can I say really? 15 pips. You're not 5 or 6 pips, you could go. We're now below the hourly 8 EMA, so this quite possibly has got further to go. But in fact, actually, yeah, that's the only thing that wasn't in that one. I've just remembered that, because as I said to you, I'm not I didn't trade this, and it's just off the cuff analysis, but seeing that triple top, seeing these two possible trades here, seeing the RSI in the exact right position, the higher time frames would have been right as well. In other words, you know, the breakdown, you've even got divergence on this 15-minute, the red bar prior to the consideration for an entry, and off you go. And look at the massive fall off of momentum to the long side with that double top on this particular time frame, and no power to the upside, so that's screaming short there. So just a bit of off the cuff TA there. So my trade, this once again, although I hadn't even registered this, I have to admit, divergence on here, hugely overextended. Prior to my entry, I think it was the 30-minute, I always check the 30-minute. 30-minute clearly turned red. Well, in fact, it was on my entry, but I would have entered. And this is another thing. Well, you've also got divergence on the 30-minute, but the other thing, that this was a classic, and I don't mention this on every video, so in case you've not had this before, when you get this monster move down on the RSI, you know, the big gap there compared to the green and the red gap there, that is also a massive indicator that the pressure to the upside has completely run off. So you've got divergence, you've got this massive move, and they're always good. You know, you've got to discount these sort of ones here, although that wasn't a massive red move there. There was a massive red move there, and you can see price collapsed. So always watch out for that. You know, I mean, this one went from above 20 to below 0 in one candle. Little bit of a rally. This was on the Frankfurt London Open, so you'd expect that anyway, and then continuation to the downside. So always look out for those as well. So this was a nice 9-pip move. It went a lot slower than I expected it to, just ground down, but you know, clearly loss of momentum to the upside there, and lots more momentum to the downside. The RSI bust, break and close. I got in late because I literally got in late. I was out messing around with animals and things, but that's the trade. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Just a bit of PA.